My name is Zach and I work for a company called Task Automation.
My name's Lyndon Huf, the CEO and founder of Prohab.
We manufacture pruning gear for the horticultural and viticultural industries.
Prohab manufactures sensors for sport and healthcare.
Before IMA started, we were very mechanically minded with our pruning system, whereas now we're starting to look towards the sensors and how we can use that to increase our profitability.
We identified that one of the biggest challenges that we were going to face was scaling. To scale effectively, especially in this current environment, you need to really engage Industry 4.0, and we really wanted to understand how we could do that effectively.
So our future plans are to produce a machine that uses sensors to automatically determine where the vine is in position to our cutter bar system.
The short-term focus for us is really we've started to identify our market and really focus on exactly who our relationship partners and channel partners are going to be moving forwards, and how we can actually scale the volume to get a really good quality sensor out there that we can collect amazing data from our patients and help our patients and clinicians reach a higher standard of care.
So Task Automation thinks that the Industry 4.0 probably could be used in regards to the sensors for the outside environment and actually sensing the vine, but also in collecting the data that we're getting from our machinery and using that a little bit more efficiently.
The IMA helped us to keep our focus very front and centre on how we could scale up our production and really integrate automation into our processes of manufacturing, and that's really been a game changer and allowed us to hit the numbers that we actually need to in the future.
So the most valuable part of the IMA course for us was our partners we've developed with the university and also with the industry that we've sort of met through this course.
The most important part, and this is where our company values really highly, is the relationships. People with the right networks and the right understanding with skills and experience who have already been in this situation, identified the challenges similar to what we're facing, and be able to work with us to identify where our weaknesses were and how to actually turn those into opportunities.